Hi, I'm Seth Tate, Product Manager at Blum US, and today I'm going to walk you through how to install AVENTOS HF top. Let's first take a look at the hardware we'll need for our installation. Along with two lift mechanisms, you'll need a lever set, cover caps, and a door hardware set. There are two versions of the lift mechanism. Each is rated for a specific power factor range. As you can see in the table, the 2500 unit is for the smallest power factor range, and the 2800 unit is for the largest power factor range. To select the correct lift mechanism for your application, the power factor must first be calculated by using the formula below. Power factor equals cabinet height multiplied by door weight, including twice the weight of the handle. So, if your cabinet height is 36 inches and your door weight is 20 pounds, your power factor is 720. Based on this table found in our literature, your power factor falls within the range of the 2500 lift mechanism. Now that you have all the necessary hardware, we can walk through installation. To install the lift mechanisms, you'll use your cover cap as an installation template. Begin by flipping the cover cap upside down and laying it flat against the inside of the cabinet side panel. Reference the top of the cover cap against the top of the cabinet. Then, place the lift mechanism against the side panel and slide it up so that the lip on the cover cap mates with the groove on the top of the lift mechanism. Slide the lift mechanism and cover cap backward until the lip on the green positioning guide catches against the front of the side panel. Finally, use the included screws to mount the lift mechanism. Attach the levers by clipping them into the top of each lift mechanism and opening the telescoping lock. To attach your cabinet doors, begin by clipping in the hinges on your top door panel to the mounting plates at the top of your cabinet. Then, clip in the hinges on your bottom door panel to the mounting plates on your top door panel. Finally, attach each lever to the mounting plate on the bottom door panel and push the door closed. Now that your door is attached, adjust the tension on both lift mechanisms to ensure that your door is properly balanced. When your door stays exactly where you leave it, the tension of your lift mechanisms are properly adjusted. To adjust the Blue Motion soft close of your lift mechanisms, push the orange switch on top of the lift mechanisms to the min position for the least amount of soft close. For the most soft close, push the switch to the max position. Depending on the location of your cabinet, you may need to adjust the opening angle stop. This feature allows you to limit the opening angle of your door to ensure that it doesn't collide with your ceiling or any other obstacles. To make this adjustment, simply rotate the selector wheel on both lift mechanisms until your ideal opening angle is achieved. With your lift mechanisms properly installed and adjusted, you can add your cover caps. If you have any questions about AVENTOS HF Top or any of our other products and services, please visit our website at blum.com. If there are any videos you'd like to see in the future, please let us know in the comments below.